Harvesting mangoes is a captivating process that showcases the harmony between human skill and innovative techniques across the globe. Every year, approximately 55 million metric tons of mangoes are harvested worldwide, making it one of the most widely produced fruits. From the sun-soaked orchards of India, which alone accounts for nearly 45% of the global production, to the vast plantations of Mexico, mango harvesting is a celebration of nature's bounty and the hard work of farmers who nurture this tropical treasure. Each region adds its unique touch to the process, reflecting local traditions, climate, and agricultural practices. Whether hand-picked with care or gathered using ingenious tools, the journey of mangoes from tree to table is a testament to the dedication and ingenuity of those involved. Mangoes are primarily cultivated in tropical and subtropical regions, with India being the largest producer, followed by countries like China, Thailand, and Mexico. This widespread cultivation has made mangoes a beloved fruit globally. The video providing insights into this fascinating process was created by Bria's Garden Tech. Mass harvesting and production of mangoes is transforming the accessibility of this cherished fruit, making it more plentiful and easier to obtain than ever before. Depending on the tree's height, mangoes are harvested in two primary ways. For reachable mangoes, they are carefully picked by hand, avoiding the use of tools. This gentle method protects both the fruit and the trees, while allowing farmers to select only ripe mangoes, leaving others to mature further. For mangoes situated higher up, long sticks equipped with nets are used to collect them. After harvesting, the mangoes are arranged in baskets and taken to an inspection area. Here, any remaining small stems are meticulously trimmed. The mangoes are then transported to a processing facility where they are prepared for market distribution in various forms. The first step involves sorting on a roller bar machine. As the mangoes move forward on horizontally driven chains, they are rotated and inspected. This process ensures that unripe or diseased mangoes are removed, maintaining the overall quality of the fruit. Next, the mangoes enter a washing machine where they are thoroughly rinsed using high-pressure water. Following this, the cleaned mangoes are coated, packed into boxes, and made ready for the market. Mangoes are also processed into juice. At the facility, the mangoes undergo sorting and inspection before being sent to a high-pressure washing machine for cleaning. They are then preheated in hot water for 3 to 5 minutes to eliminate the enzyme polyphenol oxidase, which could otherwise cause discoloration and alter the juice's flavor. The next stage involves peeling and pulping using a sophisticated mango pulper. This machine efficiently integrates peeling, destoning, and pulping, achieving a pulp recovery rate of up to 99.5%. By minimizing waste, this equipment significantly enhances productivity and the economic viability of mango juice production. Alternatively, mangoes can be peeled and pulped manually, though this method results in greater pulp loss and requires more labor. Once peeled and pulped, the mango pulp is transferred to a bubble washing machine. This machine uses air pressure to create bubbles that mix with detergent and water, effectively removing fine debris. The cleaned mango pulp is then drained and further processed using specialized machines, including a vacuum degasser. This step reduces oxygen content to prevent oxidation, extending the shelf life of the juice. The pulp is then homogenized to achieve a consistent texture before being bottled. The bottles are filled, capped, labeled, and prepared for distribution. In addition to juice, mangoes are processed into frozen mango chunks. To retain their vibrant color, flavor, and nutritional value, the mangoes undergo a brief blanching process where they are exposed to hot water or steam to halt enzyme activity. After blanching, the mangoes are diced into small pieces, inspected, and adjusted as needed. These diced pieces are transported via a heated vibrating chute to a fluidized quick freezing machine. This machine ensures rapid freezing by exposing the mango pieces to strong, cold air from below, enabling quick and uniform cooling. The frozen mango chunks are packed into durable plastic bags and subjected to a final trimming process to ensure accurate sizing. Skilled workers inspect and weigh the chunks before they are sealed in cardboard boxes or plastic bags, preserving their quality and freshness throughout the packaging process. If you've enjoyed learning about the fascinating journey of mangoes from harvest to your table, don't forget to support us. Like, share, and subscribe to Bria's Garden Tech for more incredible content, and stay updated on our latest videos. Your support helps us bring more amazing stories to life.